Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to buy stars on Facebook. So this is going to be particularly useful in case you want to support your favorite creators on Facebook. So this is going to be a short, sweet, and simple video. Make sure to follow it step by step in order to learn how to buy stars on Facebook. So let's actually go on and get started. What you want to do is go onto the Facebook account in which you want to give stars towards. And so it varies from person to person depending on which Facebook update that you have. So also make sure that you're updated to the latest Facebook version. So here I'm just on a Marvel's fan account. Now if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to click on the post that you want to send stars towards. So go ahead and click on comment. And now you see this icon that looks like a star. What you're going to do here is click on that star. And now you're going to be able to see your star balance. So right now I have 0 stars. So if I go ahead and click on that stars balance icon right over here, you're going to see now this is where you can actually buy stars. So you can buy 45 stars for 99 cents. You can buy 300 stars for $6, etc. So go ahead and purchase the actual amount of stars that you want to purchase within your balance. But keep in mind that it does cost money. So you do have to connect your card through Facebook. But then once you actually go ahead and purchase stars, this is when you could actually start sending gifts over here. So as you can see, these are all worth stars. This pizza is worth 10 stars. These hands are worth 200. That sneaker is worth 50. So this is the best way I found to actually buy stars on Facebook. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.